Hello and welcome back to the video series related to the Power BI basics, and in this video I will go through the visualization section where I will explain just to give you an overview of each type of visualization. Remember, we haven't imported any data, it's just the interface, going through the interface of Power BI, and the visualization is this in this will be covered in this video. In the next coming videos we will be also be going through the custom visuals and how we can import the visuals. So yeah, let's move forward. And uh, these are the types of visuals which are common graphs and charts. I'll probably zoom that up and it will give an overview of and I'll go through the individual visualization. So this is the section that covers up um, the main visualization. The three ellipses emphasizes that we can import custom visual as well. Each visualization has by default two sections. One is the value section where we can drag fields. The other is the format sections, which we can color, change colors, change settings and stuff. I'll start off with the stacked bar chart. Of course we can have the axis and legends and values as well in that. um, Stacks column chart works the same. Clustered bar chart, these are the bar chart sections, these are the line charts as well as the area chart as well. We have a combo chart, which is an Excel that we can combine the lines and the bar charts. We have ribbon chart that gives this kind of stuff that enables the comparison. We have waterfall chart, funnel chart, and the scatter chart as well. These two covers up the pie and donut chart. The other thing is the tree map that gives a kind of stuff that highlights the top values in between. um, this is the basic map visual, but we have two more visuals, that is called the filled map as well as the shape map. And Azure map, as in the previous videos you've seen that Azure map is the preview feature, and it's still developing and evolving. uh, the basic gauge chart is also there. um, this is the card visual, which reflects the value, and it's been shown in the way. um, Multi-row card gives multiple values with related to for example sales quantity sum. This is the KPI value that based on the condition we can see that whether the target has been achieved or not. Now this is these sections later on, later part covers slicers, where we can fill in the fields, and it can reflects the checklist and the checkbox and stuff that we can slice and dice the data. The basic table and matrix visual, where we can just insert fields, and matrix is just inserting fields for via rows and columns and values. There's also the R visual script, the R script, as well as the Python script. It is also enabling the fact that we can insert Python script as well. Now the rest of the visuals are um, what is called is the AI visual. First of them is key influencer. So yeah, you need to enable R scripting because it works through the R scripting features. Um, the decomposition tree also gives a highlight that we can analyze in the way that what are the standouts and what are the high values or low values in between a particular explanation or a particular area. We will be going through all of the visuals when we will import the data, and then that case, in that way, it will be easier for you to understand, how the individual uh, visual work. Um, the other, this one is the Q&A. This gives an opportunity that we can just type out in the natural language, and it will reflect and it will give the data thing. Smart narratives. Smart narratives is the you know uh, you can have the field, and when you click on that, it gives it generates, automatically generates a commentary and the text as well in that that explains that what are the outliers, what are the outliners, what are the topmost thing, then what in which fields have lowest values as well. um, this is our GIS map for Power BI. This is a third-party map tool that requires a subscription, as well as the connectivity between that. So that's what it is. Power F for Power BI. Power F for Power BI gives an opportunity to import related any Power apps that we've developed. So it gives it gives this basic visual gives a kind of a step-by-step view of how we can get started with that, how we can connect the fields, how we can enable connectivity and saving details about this app features. The rest of that gives an opportunity to get more visuals, like importing a custom visual, or if we have developed some visual, or the developers of third-party developers have developed some visual that we can import. We can also import the visual from file as well. Um, just a quick overview that how we can insert visualization. There's a visualization pane we can insert from. Other than that, we can have um, a new visual image, in the insert home tab as well. So we can, import that as well from the insert menu. We can also have, insert the AI visuals, as well as some elements as well. um, and of course we can have a look at all the stuff in related to the text box and the shapes and images as well, that goes along with the visualization to create the reports and dashboard. So this is pretty much it for this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you so much.